Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all easy intermittent fasting diet plan for weight loss to help you lose 10 kgs in 2 weeks very easily. This diet plan is for all of those who want to follow intermittent fasting diet plan and have no information about it but yet want to follow it in a very easy manner and hence lose good amount of weight in less time. Recently my lots of clients followed this diet plan for immense weight loss and they were able to see a great transformation happening for themselves. And so can you. For personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number and we can start your weight loss transformation with me and begin the journey. So without any delay, let's get started with easy intermittent fasting diet plan to help you lose 10 kgs in 2 weeks very easily. In this diet plan, we'll keep eating in fasting window of 16:8. That is, you fast for 16 hours and eat for 8 hours in a day. Hence, you'll get amazing results for weight loss and at the same time, people suffering from PCOD, PCOS, diabetes, thyroid, anybody can follow this diet plan very effectively and see good changes happening in their lifestyle. At the same time, good results happening in their weight loss journey as well. We'll keep our eating window from 12:8, that is 12 pm to 8 pm. You can eat at the same time. Fast yourself from 8 pm to 12 noon the next morning. This is how we'll follow the diet plan for easy intermittent fasting diet plan. Now starting with the early morning drinks. So example, you wake up at 7 am or 8 am. The first thing that you are supposed to have is your early morning drink or diuretic water. I'll give you two options for the same. The first option being you can have lemon water. Simple as that. You have to have one lemon squeezed to 1 glass of lukewarm water, mix it well and have it empty stomach. Now this basically works as vitamin C boost in your body, detoxifies the system in the morning itself and helps you to de-bloat very quickly. So you can pick this option or you can have simple and plain ajwain or jeera water. Soak ajwain or jeera overnight in 1 glass of water, boil it in the morning and have it empty stomach. Now this also gives great benefits for PCOD, PCOS or diabetic patients and postpartum weight loss as well. So if you are suffering from any hormonal imbalances or postpartum weight loss, you can definitely try out this recipe for de-bloating, for water retention, at the same time people suffering from swelling overall of the body. So try out ajwain jeera water or you can simply have lukewarm lemon water. Proceeding towards our 10 am fasting window drink. Now at this time you can have 1 cup of freshly brewed green tea or black coffee or black tea if you're addicted to it, or you can even skip it all together and simply have plain lukewarm water or simple normal room temperature water. We are in a fasting window, so we'll not be having any kind of calorie oriented drink during this time. So you can have these options for your 10 am breakfast. And now we'll proceed towards our 12 noon snack, which can also be called as your first eating meal. So at 12 noon, always break your fast with fruits. Be it any kind of fruits, be it seasonal fruits or any kind of exotic fruits. You can prepare smoothies. I have lots and lots of smoothie recipes on my channel. Pick any and treat it as your first meal post 16 hours fasting. Now I personally love to give all my clients this collagen boosting drink because if this is what you have first thing for your eating window, you will see a great boost in your collagen boosting properties. You'll even see your skin enhancing way better, at the same time glowing benefits as well. It detoxifies your blood also from within. The recipe of complete collagen smoothie is taken up on my channel. You can check it out here. It's being displayed on the screen and it's super easy to prepare and you will fall in love with having this smoothie or juice. Now let's proceed quickly towards our lunch. And now for lunch I'll be giving you two options. The first option is my personal favorite. It has to be high in protein, easy and super yummy as well. The first option is you can have oats roti with any seasonal sabzi plus raita and plus salad. Now this is a wholesome meal which includes gluten-free roti. Now oats roti is very easy to prepare. I've shared already the recipe of it in which I also add beetroot. You can skip it or you can add it as per your own preference. Along with that, I'm taking some paneer sabzi. So you can take any sabzi of your own choice to make it along with your oats roti. Any seasonal green vegetable can also work better. Or you can even have it with chicken curry, fish curry, egg curry or some egg bhurji as per your own preference. Along with that, you can have a good full bowl of raita or curd or Greek yogurt plus salad to make sure we get good fiber as well. So this is a wholesome meal that you can have for your lunch. If you feel quickly hungry, then of course you can increase the portion of your meal, at the same time giving you a second option for your lunch which can be rice. Now of course we have two staple meals in our lunch which is roti and rice. So if you like having rice in your lunch, you can always take brown rice, 200 grams of cooked brown rice with any sabzi or curry or dal. You can even have a good full bowl of dal along with it. You can have chicken curry, fish curry, egg curry again, or you can have any sabzi of your own choice. Along with that, you can have again again a good full bowl of raita, Greek yogurt or curd, and plus salad. This will be your option for intermittent fasting lunch, which is at 2 p.m. or 3 p.m. approximately. And now quickly let's proceed towards our mid-evening snack option, which comes between your lunch and dinner. So you can have this snack approximately by 5 p.m. to 6 p.m., which can be either a cup of green tea or tea or coffee if you like having it so, but do not add any kind of sugar to it at all. You can always add a little milk, but do not add any kind of sugar to it. Along with that, you can have 30 grams of roasted makhanas to treat it as a snack, or you can even have 1 teaspoon of peanut butter added over one rice cake, which is great for your snacking and gives you good protein content as well. So you can have these options for your mid-evening snack. Now let's proceed quickly towards our dinner option for this diet plan. For dinner, I'll be giving you two options which are very easy to prepare and super yummy as well. The first option is, of course, if you like having eggs, you can always have 2 to 3 boiled egg whites. Along with that, you can have one toast along with it, which is again a wholesome meal for you with carbs at the same time good amount of protein too. If you don't like having eggs, you cannot have eggs, then you can always switch it up to having paneer bhurji with toast. 70 to 80 grams of paneer bhurji along with one toast inside along with it is a good high protein meal for you. So you can have this option or eggs as your dinner option. Second option is, if you cannot have this, then you can always switch to having simple and very easy one besan sheela or one moong dal sheela or one plain dosa with some sambar or coconut chutney for your dinner. You can have besan sheela or moong dal sheela. The recipes are already up on my channel. Along with that, you can have again salad plus mint chutney or coconut chutney or tamarind chutney as per your own liking. This is again a very high protein option for your dinner, which will satiate you for the good time, also at the same time help you with good weight loss also. So you can have this recipe for your dinner. That is the last meal that we'll be having, which is calorie oriented for your entire day, and hence the last meal. Now let's proceed towards our bedtime drink option, which again is what you have before going to bed. So I always recommend all my clients to have 1 cup of freshly brewed chamomile tea, but if you cannot have this, then you can always switch to having either 1 cup of cinnamon water or cinnamon tea. Simply boil 1 stick of cinnamon in 1 glass of water and let it simmer for 2-3 minutes and have it before going to bed. Treats well PCOD, PCOS at the same time, great for diabetes as well. Helps control your sugar levels and is amazing for weight loss as well. So you can try out these recipes and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this. For personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on this given number, which is 6284306522, and I'll be more than happy to be a part of your weight loss journey and help you achieve your goals quickly. If you liked this video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of the diet plans, and I'll be more than happy to assist you with. Let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this diet plan or if you have any doubts regarding the same. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and hit the bell icon to be notified for all the upcoming weight loss tips and tricks, diet plans, how my clients reduce weight every day, and I will see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.